Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma properly. We'll start by exploring the Figma interface, which is your primary workspace. Understanding the canvas, layers, and properties panels is crucial for efficient design. The canvas offers an infinite space for creativity, while the layers panel helps organize your elements. The Properties panel provides precise control over every object. Mastering these foundational tools and a few key shortcuts will set you up for success, allowing you to navigate and manipulate your designs with ease and speed. Now, let's dive into creating actual design elements. Frames are your digital artboards, essential for structuring your projects. You'll use basic shapes and text to form the building blocks of your interface. Experiment with colors, gradients, and images to bring your designs to life, adding visual appeal and depth. Remember to group and combine objects logically. This practice is vital for maintaining a clean, manageable file as your project grows in complexity and scale. Figma truly shines in its collaborative capabilities. You can share your files with colleagues, enabling everyone to work together in real time, fostering seamless teamwork. Components are game changers for consistency. Create them once and reuse them everywhere. Variants allow you to manage different states of these components efficiently, saving countless hours. Furthermore, implementing auto layout helps you build responsive interfaces that adapt effortlessly to various screen sizes, ensuring flexibility. Finally, let's bring your designs to life and prepare them for development. Connect your frames to build interactive prototypes, allowing you to simulate user flows and test functionality. Add subtle animations and transitions to make the experience feel more realistic and engaging. Sharing these prototypes with stakeholders for feedback is a crucial step. When ready, utilize Figma's Inspect mode to provide developers with all necessary specifications, ensuring a smooth and accurate handoff process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.